Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya Cloud. Kali ini saya akan membagikan sebuah video percakapan kapal dengan VTS. Di sini ada beberapa percakapan yang saya rekam. Semoga Anda yang menonton video ini dapat ilmu dari apa yang Anda tonton. Selamat menyaksikan video berikut ini.
You continue going further east. Continue to the east. I have tanker overtaking on your port side, container vessel overtaking starboard side. So let the traffic clear first before you make alteration. Over. Okay.
Kelihatan tubuh itu kelihatan. Oh, sama warna. Sama warna.
Controlling section A.
Mas.
50.
Everbright, slipper rail. Station call in Armada Tua. Go ahead, over. Everbright, slipper rail, over. VTS Central, Solitaire.
Yeah, station calling BTI Central.
Sir, good evening, sir. Have one vessel on my port bow name Torco Legacy. Advise, can she pass my step over?
Yeah, who is calling? Are you the Solitaire, over?
Yes, correct, sir. My vessel name is Solitaire.
As information, the Togo Legacy will be crossing to the eastern boarding ground Alpha soon, over.
Copy, sir. Can advise her to cross my stern, over.
Negative. She'll be crossing at a good CPA. Over.
Copy, sir. Thank you. Stand by 1 for. Central, kita Jaya Mandiri.
That's Chicago Mandiri BTI Central.
Batu berhenti my starboard side. Permission crossing traffic lane, sir.
Okay, advise you to wait for the traffic to clear. You have the big container vessel on your port bow. Advise you to wait for her to clear before you cross, over.
Okay, sir. Waiting for vessel clear. BT Central, this motor vessel Troco Legacy. Please come in, sir.
Yes, Togo Legacy, this is BTI Central.
Sir, now we are turning now, crossing to TSS, proceeding to fire station.
Yes, information. I have the piloted tanker on your port bow, bearing from you 041, range about 2.2 nautical miles. She is going to the western anchorage. Advise if you are crossing, please ensure that you have a good CPA with her, over.
Take copy of that, sir. Thank you for the information.
Thank you. The Ocean Eagle, this is BTR Central calling the Ocean Eagle.
PTS Central, Crystal Auriga.
All vessels stand by, sir. Ocean Eagle, BTR Central.
PTS Central, Crystal Auriga.
Yeah, station calling BTIS.
Nelayan Indonesia lah ini.
Terima kasih telah menonton video saya. Semoga video ini ada manfaatnya buat Anda yang telah menonton. Dari saya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.